What kind of lab are we conducting? Biology lab. Right?
Yeah.
And the title for the lab for today, testing for our starch in food substances. Is that there?
Yeah.
Then the objective, what is the objective of this experiment?
To understand the presence of starch in food substances.
Very good. To understand the presence of starch in food substances.
Okay.
We know very well now all food contains starch, right?
Yeah.
So we have to test and see whether the food, I told you to bring some food coming to it. The next thing I want you to do, I told you that laboratory have to do what? Observation. While we are carrying on the experiment, your kind of food substance you brought will come in there. When we carry on the experiment, you're going to observe what you see happening. So you have the anything you have to stay around your observation. What you observe happening. The next thing we have conclusion report. You will tell us exactly the exact report you got from your the experiment. Turn your sheet over. Materials required. The leader equal your pen. Put the materials, meaning the materials we're going to be using for this experiment. Read the materials. You ready?
Yeah. We, the member of Group 2, today represents our town into the lab, and we were told to bring a material that we will test to understand whether these food are starchy or non-starchy food. Like one of the food that we tested here today was curry and now water. And we observed that when the iodine was placed into the water, the iodine maintained its color. And we didn't observe any changes within the iodine that symbolize that water is not a starchy food. And we proceed to the curry, whereas we use the petrol dish and then the paper. And this paper is meant to take the iodine from in the bottle, and while we took the iodine from the bottle and place it into the paper where the curry lies, and we observe it for about 1 minute, the color of the iodine changed to black, symbolizing that the curry contains starch. Because we were told previously that there are 3 colors that symbolize food that contains starch: the black, blue, and the purple. And the Group 2 member, we observe that curry contains starch and water does not contain starch.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so my name is Prince Gabo, and today we are in the lab here to carry on some experiment concerning fruits to see if they have starch or not. So today, our teachers told us to bring fruits and food as well, and we brought plantain and other food to do one experiment. And then our teacher started the experiment with water, and he placed iodine in the water to see if water has starch or not. And then water has no starch because the iodine contains its brown color. And then we try the iodine on our plantain in the petrol dish, and then the color of the iodine changed to black because the plantain contains starch. And then we carry on our observation and conclusively conclude with our presentation we came here for. So once again, I'm Prince Gabo.
Thank you.
I'm student Tabitha Ravina Adams. In today's lab class, we came to detect the starch in food. So our lab's instructor asked us to bring egg to detect if egg has starch. So while we were doing our observation and stuff, we placed the egg on a petri dish, and this is the paper. So we
Transfer the
iodine in the paper to detect if egg has starch or not. So we did that, and after few seconds we observed that egg don't contain starch because egg The iron doesn't teach the egg color, the egg, the tin, a color, so it means that egg don't have starch. That's what I observed for today, lab class. Thank you.
Okay.
So conclusively, I think in the knowledge of our students, what we understood today that there are some food we eat, although because we discussed with them the different type of food, we have 6 groups of food. One of the group of food is carbohydrate food, right? So today we want to detect the presence of carbohydrates within one of our food groups. So we brought egg, let our egg is one of our food group, but egg does not have our starch because there was no change in our iodine solution. Equally so, water also is part of the 6th food group. We apply iodine. Iodine further also was maintained, indicating to us that water does not contain our starch. But for that of the planting, the dairy and the bread, the color change in those food group. Telling us that those food contain starch, and therefore they are carbohydrate foods. Thank you. Thank you for the demonstration. Thank you.
Okay.
So,